we begin to perceive the world at the very moment we open our eyes. We long to explore everything around us. This is because seeing is believing, and seeing deepens experience and deepens thinking. The world keeps evolving thanks to human discontent with what our eyes can see. We always believe that there are superior ways to perceive our world. We shift angles to get the whole picture. We invent instruments to see further and in more detail. We record what we see to discover the reasons behind appearances. To see, to understand, and to respond. This is how we break new ground. At Hikvision, we are committed to unleashing the power of machine vision to add an intelligent eye to everything. From architecture, roadways, and industrial equipment, to automobiles, aircraft, and robots. We want to give them the ability to see, to expand human vision. When these things extend our sight, our minds will perceive far beyond. In those obscure corners, in those areas out of sight, at the moment before danger strikes, newly acquired vision will give rise to new knowledge, new insights, and new actions. A new world of universal vision will strengthen our perception and decision-making power so that individuals and families can enjoy real-time security. Innovators can access more in-depth insight. Decision-makers can leverage more balanced intelligence. And our society's development will be built on more solid ground. In Hikvision, we are determined to explore innovative ways to perceive our world, to give vision to everything so that we can perceive more. We believe that those who see more clearly will know more, and those who know more will act more intelligently. At Hikvision, we will equip the visionaries to create their futures. When one can see far, they will go further.